Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to see four different stocks, which includes penny stocks. In particular, segment is known as edible oil segment. Why we are focusing on these stocks? Because if there is any news, yes, there is a news. If there is any opportunity, yes, there is an opportunity to make money out of these four stocks in this particular edible oil segment. And before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bullstick through WhatsApp dedicatedly. And there are two kinds of trading desk platforms. One is known as the Superfans Option. The Superfans Option is, I used to say that this is 10K magic. Superfan Option is nothing but in which a small capital like 10K is only needed. Suppose a person who wants to come out of this middle class segment and he wants to go to higher level luxury level, this Superfans option may be a tool initially. See, with the help of this 10K capital, we used to give trading tips in stock options with entry price, target price, and related updates through WhatsApp in live market. And this 10K magic is nothing but the investment gets doubled, the investment gets tripled. Sometimes we also give jackpot profits with this 10K little capital, because in this particular trade fashion, we used to give trading tips only in low priced options as well as penny level option trading in stock options. And I used to say there are three kinds of highlights in the Superfans option. The first highlight is the working capital itself very low, 10K, only 10,000 rupees is enough to make a magic, to make wonders throughout the month. And second highlight is there won't be any loss at all, because we are not going to give trading tips just to market opens at 9:15 a.m. and we are not we are not going behind a particular stock which is moving here and there. We used to scan the market, we used to watch the stock, and we used to give the trading tips only when a stock is going to make a spurt and spike. So we also give the trading tips with very low premium, so the risk level is very much minimized, and we adopt a safe trading method also, so there won't be any loss at all virtually. So this is second highlight. Third highlight is those who already joined in this Superfans option are coming back again and again with their relatives and friends. They subscribe again to make consistent profits. So these are the three highlights for Superfans option. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by using the payment gateway like GPay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, Paytm, to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Same way, if you are an equity investor, if you are a passive investor, if you want to make a great fortune for you and your family, you can subscribe to the other one is known as the Superfans Penny, in which we give equity investment as well as trading tips, not exactly trading. You just buy and hold these stocks in your trading account for months together and years together. The price range of these equity stocks will be from 5 paise, yes, definitely 5 paise to 20 rupees, to a maximum 20 rupees, sometimes slightly above the 20 rupees. So I used to call these stocks as the penny stocks. You buy these stocks, forget about these stocks, hold it in your demat account for few years. So these stocks will make a wonder. These stocks will multiply your capital. These stocks will be a lottery ticket like stocks. So the subscription to join Superfans Penny is also 7,999 per month. Same way, by using the payment gateway, you can remit the subscription to join Superfans Penny. So I request you to join the Superfans option and Superfans Penny together. See, in my working style, I used to earn from options, and I put the earned money in penny stocks for my future. So I used to mint money just by using the penny stocks in the past. So now we go to the video. We can take four stocks in this edible oil segment. Why this edible oil segment is significant in these few days? Because if you are you will be realized only when you are making your purchase, family groceries purchase during the month of April. You will realize that all the oil prices are spiked, all the pulse prices are spiked, particularly this edible oil, the refined oil and palm oil kind of oils. See, there are some kind of lobby is going around the government that the government has to allow the import of crude sunflower oil. So this is the first point. Crude sunflower oil has to be allowed massively. And second one is the government has to reduce the import duty of palm oil. So these two news is making the significance of focusing on the edible oil stocks. Here I have four different stocks which has one penny stocks, and these are the stocks. One is the Prima Industries and Kriti Nutritions and Goel Agro, and other one is the most popular, highly operated, speculated stock is known as Rosy Soya. See, I would like to say a few points. I would like to say a tag here. In the year 2020, we recommended this the same Rosy Soya at a price of just 17 rupees. At the time, it was performing like a penny stocks, and later on, within a span of 3 to 4 months, it climbed up. It reached to a level of 2,500 rupees. So such a kind of magic will not occur these four stocks. These four stocks are the seasonal stocks, and this one particular stocks, the Prima Industries is a penny stocks. It is trading just below 30 rupees. You can buy and hold in your demat account. You can hold it for a few months or a few years together. So again, I would like to say a few points about the Superfans option and Superfans penny. Superfans option is a 10k magic. If you have a capital of 10k, if you have a passion, if you want to trade with low premium options in stock option, subscribe to Superfans option and make yourself comfortable to make consistent profits like a double money, triple money profit, and of course occasional jackpot profits. And Superfans penny, if you are particular about to create a great fortune, you can subscribe to Superfans penny. And another one is I would like to say that most of our customers, subscribers, and friends and peer group members are commenting that the popular trading app like Zerotha and other Angel and other I don't want to list a name, are not properly helpful while making low priced options, and even while trading towards the expiry days. So for that only I used to suggest that I am using a trading app which is given in the description box. I give the link in the description box. Using the link, open a trading app which will be most useful for you to trade with the penny level as well as low premium option trading. So I summarize once again. The first one is subscribe to Superfans option. Make yourself comfortable to take huge profits consistently. And second one is subscribe to Superfans penny to make a great fortune. And third one is open a new trading account using the link. And don't forget these four edible stocks, particularly this Prima Industry stock, which is a penny stock, which will give you a great fortune in your future. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.